Hello friends, today I'm working on this Maytag top load washer. The customer's complaint was that the unit is completely dead, even it's plugged in. The breaker, everything was okay. Customer also used the hair dryer on their extension cord to see if there's power. So the power, everything was okay, but there's no display, it's completely dead. So here I'll show you the first thing. You want to confirm that you have power coming into the display or not. It's plugged in, none of the buttons are working. You can see the power, it's completely dead. What you can do, you're gonna follow this 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So now I confirm that we have power coming into the display. I'm getting F6E2. F6E2 error code is a communication problem between the display board and main control board. If we have problem with the communication between this user interface board and the control board located at the back of this unit, we will have F6E2. Usually the F6E2 is moisture buildup inside of the UIB, because on these washers every time you turn on the washer, it fills with water, and when it fills with water, especially the hot water, the moisture builds up here, and the moisture comes from here bottom and it hits straight the bottom of the control board here. So I'm gonna unplug it for now. You're gonna have to get to the back of the unit. There's a couple of screws holding this panel in place. There's also another small panel holding this area in place, which is over there. I took the screws out. And the next part is to get a flat screwdriver and stick it right here at the corner and push it all the way in. And the same thing on this side. I took this out already, but I'm showing you how to do this. You press it and push it all the way down with possibly two hands, and then the whole console comes out. So this is your console. This is your main control board. That's your display board. So we have F6E2 error code. Communication problem is between this and that. They tell you on the tech sheet. The main problem here is not the control board here. The problem is here, your display board, and I'll show you how to repair this. If you're a handy person, or you're a technician and you feel comfortable doing this, do it. Otherwise, you need to order this part, and this part would cost about $560. You replace it, it's going to take care of the problem. You can also repair this. Follow my videos. Unscrew all of these screws. You got 2, 4, 6, 8 screws. You're gonna unscrew all of those 8 screws. Mark down these 2 holes that no screw goes there, and then disconnect your display board cable, and then lift this up. So this plastic cover is off, and now we got here. Take this plastic piece off. We have to break all of these tabs. Take those 2 screws off, and then there's more similar solderings over there underneath this, and then we are gonna have to resolder that, and this will take care of the problem. I got this drill bit 532. I will be using to get rid of these plastic tabs, and you don't want to go deep, you kind of go slow. That's all. The same thing, you have to take your time, be very gentle with it. can see closer to my finger how nice they are. This speaker has a small tab. You want to press on it and then pull it out. This piece is out. Here's the main piece. Once this display is completely open apart, what you can do, you're gonna check all of these components for their soldering, the way they are soldered. And if you think some of these are looking weak, they do not look normal, you may want to resolder it back in.
I just don't know how you're gonna buy it. I mean, I wouldn't care. But I always look to see someone or something like that. Like, what are these viral people doing in these Walmart stores?
Well, the thing is, I've never seen anybody doing like that, so that's why I'm thinking.
Well, Walmart's easy to like kind of hang around in Walmart for like an entire day. Like you kind of get away with that, right?
Yeah.
It's just so many people in and out of there. And
So
then, like, you gotta, like,
I've done all of these solderings here, all of these, and there's from here all the way to those ones. I did not do it, and I'm gonna have to resolder those two, and couple extra on these soldering areas where I see there's a little bit moisture buildup, or if there's a little bit of discoloration, I'm focusing on those ones. But the ones that they're looking kind of nice and clean like these ones, I'm not worried about it. I have resoldered from this area all the way to other side. This area was more important. over there, this connection, this little small black chip, all of those over here, 2 of them, and this connection for the speaker I did it just for safety, and all of this, those 2. Everything is looking okay. I'll put this back in. Please do not use a drill if you're a handy person or homeowner, unless you know how to use the drill properly, then you're good to go. The speaker goes in here. All of those broken tabs you broke here, don't worry, because it's already solid by adding those 2 screws and this one, and then we are going to reinstall it back in. All of these small tabs that I broke, I'm not worried. If you're really worried about these tabs that I broke with the drill bit, you can add a couple drops of super glue or Gorilla Glue, and that will take care of the problem too. These 2 clips, they kind of get inserted in there, but you're gonna have to work on it from the back first. So they go in this position and then press on it. It's ready to go. What's happening?
It just turns right at me.
Yeah. I think the battery is down on it.
Oh, that's battery operated?
No, this DJI. Oh, that's a bad time. Okay, well, that's fine. I'll ask you for help on this one.
Okay.
So you're gonna hold it like that, and I'll just finish it.
Exactly like that.
Oh, do you want to come to the back so I can see the back there? I'm just gonna unplug it now. Okay. Yeah, if you stand there, I'm gonna finish the video. The washer is fixed, and the reason this happens, I've mentioned this to other videos. I also mentioned this to on my other videos, that when we get problem with the display board on these units, it's all because of the moisture. When it fills with hot water, all the moisture goes underneath this control display panel, and then it causes issues here. So if you're a handy person, you can always use some kind of silicone, a special silicone glue under this display panel, and you will never have this problem again. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
That's a better ending.
Yeah.